They're about, I think, about 4.5, 5 weeks old. There's mother. Still a bit nippy like. She's not too bad. She seems to be alright with me. Doesn't like Uncle Malcolm. We have 10. There's only a few out. Come on, you, get in. Go on. Come on then, get out the bloody way then. And there's Father in his cage, having a bit of lop on. Been having him at half hour. On ya. There's Debbie Dingle.